Hello and welcome to another tutorial video for InPlay Online, and in this video I'm going to show you how you're able to collaborate on timelines with different members of your squad. So to start this video, you can see I have created a timeline already and I've called this collaboration. So this is a timeline that I'm going to use to do some analysis during this video. So as you can see from this view, it looks exactly the same as the other timelines that I have on this video. So what I will do now is if I just click these little three dots here, this is where you would normally share the timeline. If I click here, you will see now you have the option just below share to also collaborate. So if I was to press this, it will then bring up the option similar to when we share a timeline, but now I can choose that I want to share this to the coach, and then I can hit confirm. And what this has done, you can see now it's added this little icon on the timeline itself. So it shows me that this timeline is one that is being collaborated with somebody else. So what does that actually mean? So when I collaborate a timeline, when I collaborate with somebody else on a timeline, as I've done there, that will mean that the person that has now received that invitation to collaborate, they can now make changes to the timeline. So there's a few reasons why this will be very useful for you. So let's say you are the analyst and you are creating a timeline and you want to share that out to one of the coaches or even another analyst. They might want to add some more clips, they might want to add some notes or some drawings onto your timeline, in which case this tool would be perfect. So there's another reason you might want to split the coding of a game between somebody else. So you might code half of the game, you might do the tagging for the first half, and then you can collaborate, and then that will then go and allow the other person to do the second half. So you can see there, we know straight away that this one has been collaborated because it has this icon here. So if I just go into this timeline, there's not much on it, there's just a few clips here, just to show you, you also have the same option when you're on the actual timeline itself. So this one is to share the timeline, this one here is to collaborate. So if I click this, you can see we've collaborated with Coach 1 in this case. So if I want to change my mind and revoke that collaboration, all I would do is then untick this particular user here. So when that person has the rights to collaborate, they can't delete the clips, but they can do everything else basically. So they can change the length of the clips, they can add notes, they can add voice notes, and they can add drawings, and they can add their own clips too, and also reorder the rows in the actual timeline itself. So that's as simple as it gets. So that has been collaborating on timelines. So you can do it from, as I say, the timeline page here, but also the page previous just here. And you will always know if one has been collaborated because it has this little icon next to the timeline. So thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of the tutorial videos and have a great day.